Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix stuttering and low FPS in Resident Evil Requiem on Windows 11. First, open the game settings and go to the graphics section. Find frame generation and turn it off. After that, locate ray tracing and disable it as well. These features can cause sudden frame drops and stuttering, especially on mid-range systems. Next, scroll to mesh quality and set it to low. This helps reduce lag when you move through large areas in the game. High mesh settings can overload your system and cause constant hitching. Now look for texture quality and lighting quality. Set both of these to normal or low. High textures use more VRAM, and if your GPU runs out of memory, the game will start to stutter or freeze for short moments. Finally, update your graphics drivers. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you are using AMD, open AMD Adrenalin Edition. Download the latest driver and choose a clean installation option. This should improve FPS and make the gameplay smoother. Thanks for watching.